Today we are making pancakes and waffles, and these pancakes and waffles are healthy. I always make them for my kids. They love them. These are peanut butter banana pancakes, and they are gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, refined sugar-free, and you're gonna love them. So we're gonna start off with bananas, and I have super dark bananas here.
This is going to be the best part.
They are perfect, not even brown at all on the inside. Oh, we're gonna put that in. We're gonna do 3 bananas.
Banana?
Banana.
No. Orange banana.
Okay. They're super soft and ripe, and this is how you want them. Put these in there. I like to use a whisk, and I just smash it just like this. Just like this. Okay. Now this is where I like to add the peanut butter because I feel like it mixes better. We're going to do however much peanut butter you want. Okay, we're going to mix this. Mix it well. Now we're going to add some eggs. And we're going to add 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 1 more makes 4. Yep.
I was just helping a little bit.
Thank you for your help.
I thought you didn't know how to
Now, really, this can just be your pancakes. I've seen that recipe online a lot, but I like to add a lot of other stuff to it. I like to add like chia seed and hemp seed and a little more protein that way. So we have that all mixed in, and now we're going to add everything else. All of these like seedy stuff. So we have, I'm gonna measure this time, but usually I don't even measure. I just eyeball it. We have, let's see, we're gonna do a couple of tablespoons of hemp hearts. I get those from Costco. Costco. You know that store we go to sometimes? Okay, this is raw maca powder. And we're going to add a tablespoon. We are going to add chia seeds now. Okay, these are so good for you. And you don't even realize you're eating this when it's in the pancake. So, okay, so now we're going to add 1/2 cup of almond flour. Okay. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to add baking powder. I use aluminum-free baking powder. I even just eyeball this, but let's see. It's usually about 1 teaspoon. I'll say, let's do 2 of these. And let's just mix that all together. We're going to mix this all together. I like to go like this. Now, I say these are pancakes and waffles because I just use the same batter for both. And they both come out pretty well. I like the pancakes because it gets a little crispy around the edges. But the waffles, they don't get too crispy, but they're still really good. The kids like them a lot. Okay. Now, if your batter is too thick, you can always add a little bit of milk or almond milk, what I usually add. This is good though. Okay, let's go over there. So here I have my batter. It's all done, and let's go to the stove. Okay, so we're here at the stove. I like to use coconut oil or avocado oil. So we're just going to put a whole bunch of that in. Let that melt. Okay, so our oil is melted, and I'm just going to pour little cakes. I like to do this in a big measuring cup, so it's easy. And we're just going to let that go. I like to use this avocado oil spray, and this is chemical and soy free. So I get this from Costco. Let me just spray and go like this. And this is how my daughter likes it. I personally like pancakes. Now, if you like cinnamon in your pancakes, you can add cinnamon. Sometimes I do that. I also like to add blueberries if you have that. Okay, that's perfect. Sort of. Okay, there's always a tester. There we go. Perfect. Well, look at that one right there. That one, not so much, but that one's pretty good over there. Okay. Now, if you feel like your batter is too loose and you aren't able to flip it very well, you can just add another egg. Oh, that one's sad. Let's put a little bit more. That one. Now let's check the waffles. Okay, those are good. Yeah, those are good. Okay, let's take these out. So I like to use maple syrup. This one I get from Costco, organic. And I don't really like to use other syrups, corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup. So this made 2 waffles. We have this one, we have another one cooking, and about 8 little pancakes. And I'm going to top this with some maple syrup. Just like this. Not too much. And I usually serve this with an egg, and that's it for my kids. Sometimes I will serve the maple syrup on the side because this is super absorbent, and in like 5 minutes it'll be all soaked in, and my daughter will be like, "Mom, I need more syrup." So I just usually serve it on the side. Sometimes, if it's me, I put it all over. But do whatever you want. Put peanut butter on this. I'm not a peanut butter on my pancake kind of person. I don't know if you are, but I'm not. Thank you for watching my very first video. If you do make this, let me know how you like it. I hope you like it as much as we do. and have a good day. Bye.